Hey guys, in this video, I will review Designrr. So Designrr is a cloud-based software that will help you to design ebooks. It is way better than Canva because in Canva you have to design all the elements one by one, but here you can use a lot of automation and a lot of things it can do automatically. So I'm going to present you all the features, benefits, cons of Designrr and pricing plans. So stay tuned if you want to know more about Designrr, whether it will be useful for you or not. So let's get started. So if you visit Designrr pricing plan page, so it will show you multiple pricing options, both monthly and yearly, but these are not their actual pricing plans. So there is a special pricing plan, which they run on ads and if you see use Facebook, then you might have seen Designrr ads. So there is a one-time fee of $27 which you have to pay to use the Designrr basic plan. Okay, I will talk about it later. And the Designrr used by 140,000 plus customers, and it is founded by Paul Bannister in 2011. And right now, I think it's the best ebook designing software because I have searched a lot of software, but I didn't find any of the software useful. Even Canva is great for designing other things like presentation, your social media posts. But when it comes to designing ebooks, Canva is missing a lot of features. But Designrr is especially for creating ebooks. So let's talk about the pros of Designrr. So as you can see, I have a huge list of pros. So they have AI content generation module. Using that, you can generate content for your ebooks. You can rewrite existing content, or you can fix any grammar issues in the content. They have huge library of images, and you can reuse your existing content. For example, if you have blog posts or if you have YouTube videos, you can use that and create ebooks. And you can create templates as well. They have pre-built templates as well. You can use that. But if you find that templates basic or that templates don't match your brand style or guidelines, then you can create your own templates as well. And you can in real time you can preview your changes, and you have multiple export options. You can export your ebooks in EPUB format, PDF, HTML. So there are multiple formats I will show you in the software, and they continuously improve the software. And the best part about Designrr is you can automatically add page numbers, headers, and footers, and you can um, add logo as well and watermark in your ebooks. Okay, and you can make changes. You make a changes to a particular element, and then that change will populate on all the elements if you decide to. Okay, and you get a 3D cover generator as well. And you can create live ebooks as well. You can embed your ebooks as well on your website or landing page. Um, and let's talk about cons. So if you are a first time user, and then there is a learning curve to use the software, but once you use the software 2 to 3 times, you'll get used to it. And AI generated content still requires human touch. Okay, and sometimes the editor lags, and some of the elements don't work, so you have to just refresh the page and then it will start working. And for me, I use in the incognito tab. It works best because sometimes cache or your other plugins conflict with Designrr. So therefore, I use Designrr inside incognito window. So that works for me. So they don't have a much editing features. So you cannot design graphics and all. So here, Designrr lacks a lot of designing elements and no animation options. You cannot add animations, and like Canva has a lot of features, animation you can add. You can design each element, but here you miss those things. But every tool has some pros and cons. So if you are fine with these cons, then you can go with Designrr. Let's talk about Designrr pricing and upsells. So there is a one-time fee of $27, and you get basic Designrr features and limited templates. You get 100,000 credits with this plan, and there is two more plans. Let me go to my dashboard. So this is my current plan, and these are the credits left inside my account. And if you click on upgrade option, then they will show you different pricing plans. So as you can see, in $27, you get lifetime access and you get a standard templates, unlimited PDFs, page numbering, and table of contents generator. Okay. And then there is pro plan, and then there is premium, and then there is agency premium. So right now I'm on this plan, to $97 per year. You get 100,000 credits for audiobooks in this plan. And as you can see, all the features that you get, you can compare all the features. So in the standard plan, you have 100 templates. In the pro plan, you get 200 templates, and in the premium plan, you get 300 templates, and you get 300 templates in the agency premium plan as well. And then there is dynamic templates. So in the standard plan, you don't get that feature. In the pro plan, you get these features, dynamic templates. The same you get in the premium and agency premium. And let's talk about publishing options. You can export PDF ebooks unlimited times and flip books, and these are the features you get. And you can have 10 active flip books inside the basic plan, which costs $27. And in pro plan and premium and then agency, you can have unlimited active flip books. Okay. And then there is Kindle EPUB iBooks. You cannot export your ebooks in these formats, but in the pro plan and other higher plans, you can do that. And audiobooks options aren't available in the pro plan as well. So in the premium plan, these options are available. And import options, you cannot import PDF in the basic plan, but in the pro and higher plans, you can do that. And then there's WebMS Word. You can import context from these file formats. These options are available across all the plans. And video audio. So these features are available in the premium and agency premium plan only. And if I talk about tools, then you don't get 3D cover creator in the basic plan, but but after that, in pro and premium and agency premium, you get that. And ebook markup creator, again, these options are not available in agency premium as well. Like custom template creator, these options aren't available in even in premium plan. Okay, you cannot collaborate with ebooks with client. You cannot do that in the premium plan as well. And let's talk about the Word Jenny tool. So in the basic plan, which costs $27, you get 100,000 credits. And in the pro plan, you get 300,000. And in the premium plan, you get 600,000 credits. And in the agency plan, you get 1 million credits. Okay. And you get all the features in pro, premium, and agency premium. But in the basic plan, you can use Word Jenny book generator only. You cannot use Word Jenny prompt, chat, or Word Jenny edit. So these are the limitation of basic plan. As I said, like basic plan is like just for beginners who are just starting. But if you want to access more features, if you want to use all the features to design your ebooks, then you should opt for pro plan or premium plan. And these plans will work perfectly. All right. And now let's go back to our mind map. Okay. So yeah, there are like I have already talked about plans, and they have upsell as well. So they offer a MP Authority Profit Machine, which is a course, online course, and they sell it for $297, which is a one-time fee. And yeah, these are optional. If you want to learn about book publishing, then you can go for this course. But usually I don't recommend, because they will offer you basic things. Of course, they have experience in designing ebooks, but you can learn by doing, right? And now let's talk about, is Designrr worth the investment? So if I talk about like basic $27, I think it is, because if you see the investment and if you see the features that you get in the basic plan, it's worth every penny. But if you upgrade, you will get access to more features that will make ebook creation much easier. And let's talk about customer service. So they respond within 20 minutes. If I show you my chat, so here in the message section, you can message them, okay, and they will reply you. So multiple times I have contacted their support and they are super helpful. So they will resolve your query. So in support wise, the designer is great. And let's talk about user interface. So for for the first time when I logged in the software, it was overwhelming because they have a lot of features. So if you design your ebooks 2 to 3 times, you'll get used to it and you can design the software. For example, this is the main dashboard. When you log in for the first time, here you can see multiple options from where you can import the content, and here you can see your recent projects. And let me show you. If I want to edit this ebook, just click on edit, and this is the interface that you will see, and you will design the ebooks. As you can see on the left hand side, you have multiple options. You can embed videos, you can add tables, whole lot of options. So it may take some time to understand every feature, but it's not that hard. If you like design first 10 ebooks, you will be able to use all the features and you will know when to use which feature. Okay, it's overwhelming for the first time users, but once you design the first 5 ebooks or 10 ebooks, you'll get used to with the software. All right, and let's talk about my final now first. Before that, let's talk about designer alternatives. So there are multiple alternatives: Canva, Scribble, Visme, Vista Create, Google Docs. You can use all these tools to create ebooks, but in all of them, some of the features are missing. For example, if I want to add logo, then I can do it in one click. And if I want to add page numbers in the footer, then I will go to settings and click on page numbering. You can enable that. You can change the page numbers name, and you can choose the page number, and you can add a watermark as well. As you can see, you can enable this option. You can choose your watermark, what kind of watermark you want to add. So these features are missing in alternatives, designer alternatives. So far, this tool is, I find this designer very useful. And let's talk about my final thoughts. So I think it's worth it if you do upgrade, if you buy their upsells, it is worth it. Recently, I generated an ebook using their Word Jenny tool. I will review Word Jenny as well in another video, but I think it's worth it. Like if you just use the basic plan, you will be able to design ebooks. You get basic functions, but if you get their I guess pro plan and premium plan, so I would recommend you get premium plan because you get a lot of functions in that. You can generate 3D ebook as well. So let me show you what kind of 3D covers you can generate. Let me go back to the main dashboard. All right. So if you want to generate 3D cover, then click on this 3 dots and click on 2D and 3D cover generator. And here you can see the mockups. So let's say I want to use this mockup. You can preview that mockup. It might take some time. Okay. And you can just click on save this image and it will start downloading. When you open the software, it looks like this. So it is super useful. It saves a lot of time. Of course, there are free tools available to create ebook covers, but right inside the dashboard, inside the designer software, you get this function. It is super easy. So yeah, and if you want to learn the software, you can use their help portal. So they have a lot of tutorials, knowledge base. You can visit their knowledge base. You can take help from their support as well. They have tutorials, as you can see on the screen. They have tons of tutorial. You can use that and learn the software. Once you learn the software, you can train, you can hire freelancers to design ebooks for you. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment box. I will try to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you want to buy Designrr, then you can check the description. This is my affiliate link. You can use that if you want to buy Designrr. All right. Thank you so much.